Hello folks, and welcome to day 7 of our September caravan holiday to Dorset. So guys, day 7 for us is a Friday, and it started off rather dull and misty, but its mist is now burning off and it's turning out to be an absolutely beautiful morning. So as I said guys, it's our last day in Swanage, or last day of our holiday, so we're going to go off into Swanage and have a look round, have a chill out and just relax. So thought I'd bring you guys along with us to enjoy the beautiful town of Swanage. So stick around and see what we get up to. So guys, here we are in Swanage. So we're going to walk along I don't know what this bit area is called, to be honest. That's rather remiss of me, but we're going to walk up the top part of I suppose this could be part of Sandpit Field, I suppose. I doubt it, but we're going to walk up here and then have a paddle along the beach. Bandstand. Where the bandstand is. Bandstand events. No, that's not what it's called. So we're going to have a walk along the beach. So you don't want to be looking at my ugly mug. You want to be looking at this beautiful scenery. So there you go guys, it's a beautiful view of Swanage Bay. Look at that look. I don't know why you're going to hear me guys, because it depends how windy it is or how much the microphone gets affected by the wind. I wanted to travel light today, so I didn't bring my lav mic or anything like that. We're just on the GoPro. It's our last day. Look at that beautiful. GoPro's probably not doing it justice. So guys, we are having a paddle. Oh, that's a bit chilly, I have to say. But there we are guys. Oh, don't go too deep. I think the tide could be coming in. There we are guys, we're having a paddle in the sea. I can report it's very cold. I think the tide's coming in, so we might get wet trousers. But there we are guys. Look at that. Last day of our holiday and the sun is shining. So we're going to head up and just have a chill out day and just walk along the beach. Might find somewhere to sit down. So we're just sat there letting our feet dry off. Look at that view. Saying that, the sun's gone in. Let's point it the other way.
Not cold though, is it?
No, definitely not cold. No, it's quite pleasant. Bit of a breeze, but other than that, quite pleasant.
It's worth mentioning about lucky with the weather. Because next week it's not looking good, is it?
Well, I know you heard that or not, but Karen's mentioned the weather. Oh look, the bird coming. Next week the weather, well, certainly in our area,
Sunday.
doesn't look very good. So we might have got lucky again, and got the best of the weather, I think, until we're fit now. But yes. So guys, here we are back at the caravan. Well, we've been back for some time, so we've achieved quite a bit since we got back. So the awning's down in the dry, so Karen is pleased.
Yes.
Yes. Mind you, to be fair, what time did we get back here? Sort of five-ish, wasn't it? And to be fair, they were starting to get dew form on the grass, so we only just really got it down. The awning was dry, but when we were folding it up, the grass was a bit damp, but as it's a nylon awning, it didn't matter too much if it got sort of a bit damp. I mean, a canvas one might be, but the nylon one wasn't too much of a problem. So the awning's down, and we're all packed up. Obviously you can't see, but all around me around here is bags and bags of stuff and all sorts of bits and pieces. So that's really it. Our last evening, we had a really good sort of chilled out day. Now I'm going to say, guys, this is going to be the last, what would we call it, full-time vlog, daily vlog, when we're on holiday. The reason being that most of the places that we've been to before, and you guys have seen, so it's quite difficult to try and keep those videos interesting and exciting, and sort of walk around, you know, and I'm trying to sort of show you guys things that you've probably already seen. So the plan is, if we go somewhere else with the caravan or without the caravan, I may vlog that as a full-time sort of week or whatever vlog. But I think this type of holiday in the caravan, certainly when we come into Dorset, I'm not going to vlog it on a daily basis. What I will do is, if we go to somewhere different, or somewhere we haven't been to for a long time, then I would do it as a standalone video, if you like, a day trip video, as opposed to part of a holiday vlog. So that's the plan for next year, which we will be back next year. We had a really good holiday this year. Weather's been good to us, hasn't it? We can't complain,
like
considering what it, and I've managed to get some decent lighting in here too. I've got all the lights on. Anyway, so what was I saying? So yeah, the weather's been good to us. I mean, today was absolutely baking hot. Yesterday was hot, wasn't it? On the Waverley, that was hot, wasn't it? Saturday arrived, was hot. Sunday we had a little bit of rain when we were going into Swanage to meet a friend. But other than that, that's really it, isn't it? The weather's been absolutely fantastic. So considering what it was like the week before we came, we've done very well. So I think that's really it for this one, guys. As I said, we've had a really good holiday this year. Or holidays this year. Our June holiday was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yes.
This holiday again was brilliant. Again, we met up with our friend Steve, so brilliant that we met up with you, Steve. Hopefully we'll do it again when we're down again. We will be down again before Christmas. Don't mention Christmas. So guys, that's it. So all I can say is thanks for watching these sets of videos. Thanks for watching the June videos of this year, and really thanks for watching all of the holiday vlogs. Actually, I think we started, when did we start it? In 2000 and, I think it was 2017 we started these vlogs.
Is that?
Yeah, because we started it when we bought this caravan. We bought this new in 2017. So we did a first vlog with the new caravan, didn't we? So I've been doing these holiday vlogs since 2017. So thanks for watching all of those videos. And one thing I've just thought of actually is that yes, there are lots and lots of places that we haven't visited in Dorset, around and about. But the thing is, you know, we're on holiday, so I don't want to spend ages driving. I mean, you know, we were going to go to Lyme Regis, But that's a sort of an hour and a half drive from the site. We were going to go to somewhere like Chalmers, that sort of area. But again, that's an hour and a half sort of drive. So wherever we go now, it's quite a long drive. So you know, and I don't want to be sort of driving on holiday. I want to be just sat and eating ice creams and having a few beers. So anyway, I'm waffling on here. So as I said, guys, thanks for watching our holiday vlogs for the last 5 years. Thanks for watching this one and also the June one. So not much else to be said really on that, guys. As I said, we will be back. We will be back here and there will be videos, but probably not as a holiday vlog. So once again, guys, thank you for watching all of our videos and all the comments that you guys have put down, and I hope that we've given you an insight into perhaps this part of Dorset. I do recommend and do urge you, if you can, to come down this way and to try and stay on Northern Farm, because it is a really good site. If you're into sort of it's more of a rural site, isn't it? It's not yeah, it's not there's nothing wrong with regimented sites, but it's a little bit more relaxed. They've got a fantastic farm shop here. We've had cows wandering around the caravan site whatever day that was, but hopefully you'd have seen the video. There's pigs to stroke, donkeys, there's all sorts. So it's quite a rural site, so I do urge you guys to come down to this site, which is Northern Farm. Anyway, as I said, I'm whiffling on here. So guys, thanks for watching this video and all of our other holiday vlogs, and we will see you on the next holiday video. So until then, guys, thanks very much for watching all of these. Stay safe and we'll catch you all again soon. Bye bye for now.